Next topic is geometric progression. What do you mean by geometric progression? It is a sequence whose first term is non-zero and each of succeeding terms is equal to the previous preceding equal to the preceding term multiplied by a constant. Example 1, 2, 4, 8. This is a GP. General form of GP is A AR AR square AR cube and AR n minus 1. A is the first term, AR is the second term. The ratio of second and first term is A upon R upon A equal to R. The ratio of third and second is AR square upon AR equal to R. Find the last term of GP. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Example series A 2, 4, 8, 16. Find the eighth term of this series. Equal to head 2, R equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. Then T8 equal to AR n minus 1 equal to A equal to 2, R equal to 2, n equal to 8 minus 1. Then 2 into 2 की power 7 equal to 2 into 2 5 6. 2 into 1 2 8 equal to 2 5 6. Next example, how many terms are there in the GP? GP is 16, 8, 4 and last term is 1 upon 16. So Tn is equal to 1 upon 16, A equal to 16, R equal to 8 upon 16 equal to 1 by 2, n equal to find, then Tn equal to A into R की power n minus 1. Tn is 1 upon 16 equals to A 16 1 upon 2 की power n minus 1. Then 1 upon 2 की power n minus 1 into 1 upon 16 into 16 2 की power 4 into 2 की power 4. Then 1 upon 2 की power n minus 1 equals to 2 की power 8, then n minus 1 equals to 8, then n equals to 9. Next is selection of term. Three terms, then select a upon r, a and ar. Five terms, then a upon r square, a upon r, a ar and ar square. Four terms, a upon r square, r cube, a upon r, ar and ar cube. Example, if the sum of three terms is equal to 38 and product of is 1728, find the numbers. Assume the numbers are a upon r, a and ar. Given a upon r plus a plus ar equals to 38. Second is ar into a into ar equals to 1728. Cancel out r to r, then a cube equals to, then a equals to 12. From equation 1, a equals to 1 upon r plus 1 plus r equals to 38. A equals to 12, then 1 plus r square equals to 38 upon 38, then r square plus r plus 1 equals to 38 upon 12 into r, then r square plus r plus 1 equals to 19 upon 6 into r, then 6r square plus 6r plus 6 equals to 19r, then 6r square minus 13r plus 6 equals to 0. Fraction is 6r square minus 9r minus 4r plus 6 equals to 0. Then 3r common, 2r minus 3 equals to minus 2, 2r minus 3 equals to 0, 2r minus 3 and 3r minus 2 equals to 0, then r equals to 3 by 2 and r equals to 2 by 3. Then numbers are a equals to 12, then a upon r equals to 12 upon 2 by 3, 4, 12, sorry 8, and ar equals to 12 into 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 18. Next is sum of nth term of GP. General form a ar, ar square, and then so on, Sn equals to a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on. Equation first, multiply by r, then r into Sn equals to ar plus ar square plus dash arn minus 1 a into r to power n divide, then Sn 1 minus r equals to a plus a minus a की power a into r की power n, then Sn equals to a into 1 minus r की power n upon 1 minus r. Next is sum of infinite terms of Gp. If r mod r is less than 1, Gp condition, if mod r is less than 1, mod r is must be less than 1. Then when n is equals to, when n is tends to infinite, then r की power n tends to 0. So s infinite equals to a into 1 minus 0 upon 1 minus r, then s infinite equals to a upon 1 minus r. Example, sum of 6 terms of Gp is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8 and so on. Then Sn equals to a into 1 minus r की power n upon 1 minus r, a equals to a 1 upon 2, r equals to 1 upon 2, n equals to 6, then s6 equals to 1 upon 2 into 1 minus r की power 6 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2, s6 equals to 1 upon 2 to 1 minus 1 upon 64 upon 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2, 63 upon 64, 1 upon 2, then s6 equals to 63 upon 64. Next is find the sum of infinite Gp. Given a 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9 plus 8 by 27 minus 16 by 81 and so on. Then a equals to 2 by 3, r equals to minus 2 by 3 and n equals to infinite. Then s infinite equals to a upon 1 minus r equals to 2 by 3 upon 1 plus 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 equals to 2 by 5.